Hey, let me show you how we can connect Sennheiser Accentum Wireless to any iPhone. So in this one, I am actually using iPhone 12. So first of all, you will have to actually go into the settings on your iPhone and open the Bluetooth settings. Then simply turn them on by clicking just right here on the switcher in the right upper corner. Now you have to grab your headphones. You have to find this button and you have to click and hold it and take a look for this indicator. When it blinks 3 times red, it means that now our device is turned off. So what we have to do right now is just to click and hold it one more time and wait until this indicator starts blinking white and red. So we'll actually activate the pairing mode. There we go. Now you can release this button, grab your iPhone, and now on the devices list you can actually find this Accentum headphones. So click on them once. And now when we are successfully connected, we'll have to open the App Store. As you can see from this, we even got the information that we have to go into the App Store and get the Sennheiser Smart Control application. So we have to actually search for this specific application and click Get. Okay, and after input your password, you will actually find this downloading process, so it will take around a few seconds. And after this, you can just simply open the Sennheiser Smart Control application. Now, from this, click on Start. You can actually join to improvement program, but I can recommend you to select maybe later. Then slide to the left side 2 times and select That's All. Now accept permissions for new firmware updates. So click here. And now you have to accept another permission for the Bluetooth. So click Allow. And as you can see, when we previously connected these headphones by using the standard Bluetooth settings, we can already find them in this application. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.